Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I got 1000 subscribers under 4 days. Yes, I got 1000 subscribers under 4 days. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys the trick you can apply to get this 1000 subscribers under 4 days. So make sure that you watch to the ending of this particular video so that you can be able to get real value for this particular video. And if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into this video properly. So the first thing to do now is for you to go to your Facebook app and type wedding. You can decide to type anything of your choice, something that you know that people search for on a daily basis. You can decide to search for autoport. It all depends on you. So I've typed this wedding here. The next thing for me to do is for me to scroll to where Reels is. So this is Reels, so I'm going to click on it. So we are going to download this read. So I'm going to click on this one that has 2.2. You can see that this particular video has 81k likes. So this is a good video that we can actually use. So the next thing for you to do is for you to click on that three line there, those three dots there, then you click on copy. So we are about to download this particular video. So the next thing for us to do is for us to go to our Google Chrome now, any browser of your choice, and type Facebook downloader video. So once you click on that, you search it, then you scroll down. There is this particular website which is fdan.net. so you click on it, which is this. So all you need to do, you paste the link that you have just copied. But before you download any video, make sure that the video does not have any watermark on it. Make sure that there is no name on it. It is very necessary, because if you download such a video, they are going to give you copyright. So it is very necessary that you avoid that. So I've pasted the link here. The next thing is for me to click on download. So you scroll down, click on download video. It's already downloading. So we have done downloading our video. The next thing is for you to click on open to play the video to be sure of what you have downloaded. So the target is for you to be uploading 15 shots per day. So you need to download 15 video, but make sure that you download viral video that does not have watermark. It is very necessary. So I'm going to go back now to download another video again. So you can download as many as you want, but make sure that you are posting 15 shots per day. If you are posting this 15 shots per day, within 4 days you will get your 1000 subscribers very fast. That is what I did, and I got my 1000 subscribers within 4 days. So I'm going to click on this one that has 1.5. So the next thing is for me to download this particular video like the way we did it the first one. So I'm going to click on these three dots down here. So I'll click on it already. So I'll click on copy link. The reason why I'm doing this, I'm going to show you. This particular website does not accept every link. So prevention that you posted your link here and this particular website did not accept your link, I'm going to give you another website that you can use to download your video, except the video is private. If the video is private, you cannot download it. You can only download public video. So you can see that this particular website did not accept this particular link. So I'm going to go to this particular website which says snapsave.app. So you use this website to download this particular video. So you paste your link. I've already pasted my link here. The next thing, you click on download. So the next thing is for you to scroll down and click on download. You can see that, then you cancel the ad. You can see that this particular video is already downloading. Once you have done downloading the video that you want, the next thing is for you to move to YouTube. Then you click on this plus sign to upload your videos. Then your videos will appear on your gallery. Then you click on the one that you want to upload. So I've clicked on this particular one. One thing that you need to take note of, in this particular video, there is a sound in this video. So we need to automatically replace this sound. So you click on add sound. So once you click on add sound, you will see viral sounds. So these are list of some viral sound. So you click on each of them that you know that is okay with it. The one that is already going viral, you can see this particular one, friendship, has 17 million shots. It means that 17 million shots have used this particular sound. So we are going to go with this, but before you go with it, make sure you play it. So make sure that the sound goes well with your video. So we have replaced this sound with the original sound of this particular video. There was a sound here before, but we have replaced that sound. The reason why we are replacing this sound is that if you don't replace this sound, they are going to flag you for copyright. So it is necessary that you replace the sound. So the next thing for you to do is for you to write a beautiful title on the video, which is very important. I'm about to write beautiful wedding dress, so you need to look for a good title and write it on your video. It is very important. So if you can be able to do this, you have successfully make this video your own, and YouTube will not flag you for any copyright. Since this particular video does not have watermark, YouTube is not going to flag you. So the next thing for you is for you to drag it to be on a perfect place. So I've already dragged it to this place. So the next thing for you is for you to upload your video. So if you can be able to upload 15 shots per day, there is no way that you will not get your 1000 subscriber within 4 days. There are some, if you are even lucky, you can even get this 1000 subscriber within 2 days. Some will get it within 1 day. Another trick again that you also need to apply if you really want to get your first 1000 subscriber very fast, make sure that you are commenting on people's video. It is very necessary. You can comment, let's grow together. So make sure that you are commenting on other people's video. It is very necessary. That will help to attract other subscribers to your YouTube channel. So it is very necessary that you follow this true trick if you really want to get your first 1000 subscriber very fast. I did this trick and this trick worked for me. I got my first 1000 subscriber under 4 days. So you can actually apply this trick and this trick will also work for you. So if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. So guys, see you in our next video. Bye.